Hello YouTube and welcome to another Techsloth video. This time it's all about Apple free apps and iOS 7. A couple of weeks ago Apple has announced that iLife and iWork apps will be free of charge, but not for all devices, just the devices that you buy recently and that have iOS 7 pre-installed. And this means I got here an iPad mini first generation. It came out with iOS 6. And here an iPad mini with Retina display, second generation, which was launched with iOS 7 on it. The first generation mini got now the iOS 7 update. And I googled the Apple apps. So we got Pages. I bought Pages a couple of years ago. And let's check. There are other apps, iPhoto, iMovie and GarageBand. These are the iLife apps from Apple, and they are Keynote, Numbers and Pages. These are the iWork apps from Apple. I never bought Numbers, so I can here on the first generation iPad mini, I have the price of €8.99. We do the same thing on the second generation iPad mini here, and Numbers, and we could download it for free. Noticed both devices I'm signed in with the same account, with the same Apple ID. So Apple does not recognize your account. They don't think it this way. So you have to first buy them, buy the devices, buy the apps on the new iOS 7 generation devices. And after this, you should be able to download them again for free on your old devices. And this is what we are going to check now. So, and while Numbers is downloading on the second generation iPad mini, I'm checking again on our first generation device, and this time it should be free. And yes, it's in the cloud, it's in my Apple ID account, and I can download it again. So this works. You don't have to buy iWork and iLife apps on your old devices. I can now think out loud, and this could mean that someone could betray the system by just getting from a friend, family member, a new device from Apple that is delivered with iOS 7. Log in with your own Apple ID App Store account, download the apps on the device for free, and then on your own device you can re-download them. This should be the easy way. Maybe this is being prevented by Apple. In that case, you could maybe try to reset the device and then install it, do the setup all over again, but with your own Apple ID, and then download the new iWork and iWork and iLife apps for free, and then reset it, and then do the installation process again with the Apple ID of the person who the iOS device belongs. And after that, it should be fine to re-download it on your iOS 6, iOS 7 or whatever device. But this would be morally that's another thing. This was just thinking about it loud. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye!